National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flood warning for the Great Miami River at Miamitown from late tonight until further notice. At 5 p.m. the stage was 13 feet. Flood stage is 16 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river will rise above flood stage after midnight tonight and continue to rise to near 24 feet by Sunday afternoon. The river will then begin falling but remain above flood stage through Tuesday. At stages near 24 feet, flooding approaches moderate levels along the Great Miami River south of Miamitown over southwest Miami Township. Flooding also occurs along the river from New Baltimore to Cleves.